Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 11, Lesson 89. One tiny mark, two big jobs, possession and contraction. Today, the apostrophe. The apostrophe's first job is showing possession. Start with the simple case. A singular noun adds apostrophe s. The bus's horn, even though bus already ends in s, the singular still takes apostrophe s. The same rule covers singular indefinite pronouns, words like everyone, somebody, each one. Each one's alibi gets apostrophe s. So for anything singular, person, place, thing, or indefinite pronoun, add apostrophe s. Plural split into two cases, and the deciding question is whether the plural already ends in s. If the plural does not end in s, like children, men, women, people, you add apostrophe s, the children's room. But if the plural already ends in s, like books, dogs, developers, you add only an apostrophe, the book's covers, no extra s. So before you write it, ask, does this plural already end in s? If yes, apostrophe alone. If no, apostrophe s. A few special cases. For a compound noun, make only the last word possessive, sister-in-laws, not sisters-in-law. For joint ownership, when two people own one thing, put the apostrophe on the last name only, Tom and Ann's car. But for separate ownership, when each owns their own, make each name possessive, Tom's and Ann's cars. And use the possessive for an amount of money or time that modifies a noun. 6 hours delay, 2 weeks pay. Those amounts take an apostrophe, just like an owner would. The apostrophe's second job is marking what's left out. In a contraction, the apostrophe stands for the missing letters. Could not becomes couldn't. The apostrophe replaces the O. Did not becomes didn't. And it works for omitted digits in a year, too. The 2008 election can be written the apostrophe 08 election, where the apostrophe stands for the missing 20. So whenever letters or digits are dropped, the apostrophe marks the gap. Let's practice. Each sentence has one word printed without its apostrophe. Pick the correct form. Pause and try each. In college, she became an advocate of women's suffrage. Women is a plural that does not end in s, so it adds apostrophe s. So the answer is women's. He crusaded against developers' plans for the Everglades. Developers is a plural that already ends in s, so it takes only an apostrophe. So the answer is developers. His editorials didn't stop the first assault on the Everglades. Didn't is the contraction of did not, with the apostrophe where the O is dropped. So the answer is didn't. 3 more. Decide whether the word needs apostrophe s or just an apostrophe. Pause and try each. She visited children's hospitals throughout France. Children is a plural that does not end in s, so it adds apostrophe s. So the answer is children's. In Paris, she wrote of the Parisians' joy at the armistice. Parisians is a plural that already ends in s, so it takes only an apostrophe. So the answer is Parisians. Exhausted, Marjorie took her doctor's advice and resigned. Doctor is singular, so it forms the possessive with apostrophe s. So the answer is doctors. Let's wrap up. The apostrophe shows possession and marks what's left out. Add apostrophe s to a singular noun, to an indefinite pronoun, and to a plural that does not end in s. Add only an apostrophe to a plural that already ends in s. For compounds, make the last word possessive. For joint ownership, only the last name. For separate ownership, each name. And the apostrophe also stands in for missing letters in a contraction and missing digits in a year. Great work. Next lesson, the hyphen.